Did you know you can create a quiz and lesson plan in less than 1 minute? First things first, head to the Chrome Web Store and search for Brisk Teaching AI. Click on Add to Chrome to make an extension and sign in using your personal or school email. Once you're logged in, you'll be prompted to specify the subject you teach, the grade, and your school. Feel free to skip the last two if you prefer. Click Submit. Now, open a new tab. Click on the grid of dots at the top and select Docs. Open a blank document and look for the Brisk icon at the bottom. Click Write with Brisk. For this tutorial, let's select Quiz. You can choose the language, the grade you're teaching, the type of quiz, and the number of questions. In the prompt box, specify the coverage of the quiz, for example, Philippine history. Click Brisket to generate questions and answer choices. Brisk Teaching AI makes creating educational content a breeze. This tool will help our teachers streamline their daily tasks. Once you've generated your questions, click on Answer Key to reveal the correct answers. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational tech tutorials.